Hello guys, today's video we have a Honda Civic 2012 LX. We have a issue guys about the power steering controls. It's already faded. Look at guys. Look guys, the steering control. It's all faded already. Let's go guys. Replace it by ourselves. Let's go. I will show you how to change it. First step guys, disconnect the battery. Disconnect the negative one, loosen it and disconnect it. The reason why we disconnect the negative guys, because we work on the airbag area, so we need to avoid any damage from airbag. So the safest thing is disconnect the battery. Let's go guys. First thing to do guys, take this bolt out. We have two bolts both side, this one and the other side, this one. Where is it? This one guys. We need to open these two bolts first. Okay guys, let's go open it. Let's go guys. We need to have a flower screws. Look like this. And then insert it and loosen it. That's how it easy. Remember guys, when we work inside the car, especially the steering, these are so sensitive. Okay, so we need patience always. And then we go another side. There you go. Here guys, the next one. To open it, be patient always. Look, it's so easy. And the green wire guys, that's for horn. You need to disconnect also. Slide the black plastic and then it's pop up. See, now it's disconnected already. Have a screw here. We need to open this one. Open this one. Remove the screw. And then we have another one screw here, this side, like this guys. Press the screw head and then use pliers as possible to turn the screw. I loosen it already, just like this, and then it goes out just like that guys. Look, and then lift this up. Lift the switch up and disconnect the wire. Disconnect guys the wire here. Press the lock guys and goes out just like this guys. Look, the old one. Then we need a new one. There you go. Where is it? There you go guys. We have a new one. How it looks. Oh, it looks nice. Look guys, I ordered this from Amazon. It's cheap guys. It costs only 60 bucks per. Here the another one. Here the another one, guys, for this side, for the left one. Look, it's faded already, right? Then we have a new one. There you go, guys. Let's go. One thing, guys, before we install it, make sure the small screw, we need to attach it first, so that later if we put it back, it's easy. Screw it all the way and then loosen it. See? And now it's time to fix it. Let's go, guys. Now, guys, we need to install the new one. First thing to do, okay, connect the wires just like that and put it back in place, same as the old one. Just like that, put back in place and put back the bolt, put back the screw, screw down there, and another one put back here, guys. Put it back and make sure everything seated well. Put back the screw. Tight it well, but not too much, guys, because it's just a plastic. No need to break it. And then the left one, guys, let's go remove it. The small one first. Loosen it. Just like that, guys. Here we go. And another one, the one on top. This so easy only because it comes on top, not the another one is inside. Easy to open it. Then take this out, and then the switch, pop this up and disconnect the press this one and pull it. Then, guys, here's the new one. There is a big difference, right? This one new one, and another one's too faded. Look, it's too ugly. Here we go, guys. Before we install the new one, same as the another one, we need to screw first the bolt, so that when we put it back, the new one, it's easy to screw it. Screw it all the way and then loosen it again. Turn this out and then install it. We need to screw it first, guys, so that, look, when we put it back, the plastic already have thread. Got me, guys? Now we need to put it back. Install it, the new one. Like that, click it. Just like that, guys. Pressing it in here, like that. That's it. And put the bolt back. Just like that. And another one. Since it has thread already, now it's easy to tight this one. There you go. And then another one. Sorry guys, my video is too moving and keep moving and moving. Now you go guys, we have a good looking switch control. And then guys, when we put this back, the horn switch, just connect the airbag. Connect the airbag wires just like that, and the horn one, the green one, and screw it and put back the screws on both sides in here and another side. And that's all guys. We have a new steering control now. Look, it's good looking, beautiful. Okay guys, if my video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye. And the last thing guys, put back the battery. And that's it guys.